So, what are functional foods? Simply put, they're foods that do more than just satisfy your hunger. They provide health benefits beyond basic nutrition. Think of foods like berries, dark chocolate, or even ginger. They're packed with nutrients that can support everything from your energy levels to your immune system. And I'm here to show you how easy it is to include them in your diet. I absolutely love creating recipes that are both delicious and packed with nutrients. And today's 3 recipes are some of my favorites. You'll be able to whip them up in no time, and trust me, your body will thank you. First up, we have an energy-boosting smoothie. You'll need a banana, some spinach, a handful of chia seeds, almond milk, and a spoonful of peanut butter. Bananas provide natural sugars for quick energy, while spinach is loaded with iron. Chia seeds bring in fiber and healthy fats, and almond milk keeps it creamy without extra sugar. Finally, peanut butter adds protein to keep you full. Simply blend everything together until smooth, and boom, you're ready to sip on an energy-packed smoothie. A quick tip, if you're looking for a post-workout snack, throw in a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Next, let's make a mood-boosting chocolate bark. This one's all about dark chocolate, which is rich in antioxidants that promote better brain health and a good mood. I'll also add some dried berries, almonds, and a sprinkle of sea salt for the perfect balance of sweet and salty. First, melt your dark chocolate. Then, spread it on a baking sheet, top it with the dried berries and almonds, and let it set in the fridge. Once it's hard, break it into pieces, and you've got a snack that not only satisfies your sweet tooth, but also helps improve your mood. Try mixing it up with your favorite toppings, like coconut flakes or a drizzle of honey. And if you need to store it, just keep it in an airtight container in the fridge. Trust me, it won't last long. Last, but definitely not least, we're making immune-boosting ginger shots. Ginger is a powerhouse for your immune system, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Plus, we're adding a bit of lemon and honey for extra flavor and immune support. Peel and chop some fresh ginger, squeeze in half a lemon, and add a teaspoon of honey. Blend everything with a bit of water, and then strain it to get a smooth, concentrated shot. Drink it straight up for a powerful immune kick. These ginger shots are great for preventing colds, but be careful, they're super strong. If you're new to ginger shots, you can start with a smaller amount and gradually increase. And remember, always listen to your body. Alright, that's it for today's functional food fun. Incorporating these foods into your diet is an easy way to boost your energy, mood, and immunity. I encourage you to try these recipes and share your results with me. I'd love to see how you customize them. So, make sure to subscribe.